This morning we went over to Lava Tree Park and flew the drone for the first time. But we're going to take a little stroll through the park here. It's pretty. Big old lava tube here. Can't even see the bottom. Pretty interesting though. So nice to have all these different options to do the morning walk. There's paths that go all through here. Different signs tell you about the forest of lava trees and how the lava tree mold is created. The reason it's hollow in the middle is because the tree keeps burning with the lava all around it, and when the lava recedes, you're left with this stack of lava that was around the tree, and then the tree burns out in the middle, so it's hollow. You get all sorts of different formations. This one, there's a hole right all the way back in there to where it's hollow. Stay on the trail. There's dangerous earth cracks throughout the park. No problem, I'll stay on the trail. There's this beautiful monstera all over the place. Here you can see the formation of the tree where it used to be inside this lava, where it's all smooth. And it just goes down to the bottom. Birds are just a-singing this morning. So pretty. This is probably one of the tallest lava trees here. Looks as though the side blew out on this one, but you can see a real good example of how that tree grew up right through the middle. Well, it didn't grow up through the middle, but burned out in the middle. This one is huge. It's about 20 feet tall. Looks like we have an ohia tree growing out of the top of this one. Sweet. Another one with an ohia tree growing out of it. Then you have these little shelters built around. Get out of the rain if it starts raining on you. Looks like they've sprayed or something here. Get all this invasive grass out. But it's all brown and burned out in some areas here. This one's full of pretty yellow flowers. This one has a hole in the bottom. And then the tree that was in the middle and got burned out. I love listening to the birds. No one else is around. Beautiful hollow tree. They're all phallic looking, huh? Bunch of rattlesnake ginger all over the place. You rattle these and like a snake. Beautiful leaf colors. Big fan palm, pretty. The light shining through the leaves. And here we are, back to the beginning. I think this area was really affected being so close to the lava flow. As you can see from the drone, the lava came right down through Leilani Estates, all the way down to the ocean. Just cleared everything out of the way.